When working with Gekko beads, you need to be patient. The tight beads are subject to being too tight. When you go to slide some on, some will slide on very easily. Some of them will require some wiggling in order to slide into place, and some of them will not fit at all. If you encounter a bead that when you go to slide it on does not fit, do not try to force the bead into place. We have accounted for these beads that are too small by providing extra beads in the kit. So you can toss them to the side. Just pick up a new bead, slide it into place, walk it down, and continue on with your project. It is important to never force the beads because they can break and then create a weak spot in your pattern.